Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So this is just a really quick 30-second video. We've just taken delivery of a lonely 2020 Royal Canadian Mint maple box.
That does look lonely.
So I'll just show you what a maple looks like just in case you don't know.
In case you've been living under a rock.
I just wanted to make sure they were 2020s, they were meant to be. So 2020 maple.
Beautiful.
So we do have one monster box of 500. I don't know when we'll be able to get any more in, particularly 2020s, because they won't be making those anymore. So they'll be online for the next little while.
All right, fantastic. And just the one box.
Just the one lonely box.
All right. Well, someone probably won't be able to nab an entire monster box. But
that's really quick.
That's really quick. There's a few tubes available.
Yeah.
Individually encapsulated, yes or no?
Yeah, if you're buying one or two, they'll come in capsules. If you're buying, more than 5, the chances are they won't come in a capsule. We will attempt to include a tube if you've ordered more than.
If you're buying, say, 15 maybe or more.
So assuming we've got spare tubes, we're quite happy to put them into a tube. And in a lot of ways, it makes it easier for us when we're posting.
Assuming we have a spare tube, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. No promises.
No
That's
promises.
what we're saying. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Get to buying your Canadian Maple 2020.
That's it.
All right, that's it from me.
And from me.
See you soon.
See ya.